Ecoworthy has always been known for making some of the cheapest batteries on the market, but the catch to that was they're not UL listed. Although that being said, lots of people use them for off-grid applications where UL doesn't really matter. But now all of that has changed, at least according to Ecoworthy. But what's even more surprising is the price hasn't gone up. So is this finally the budget battery we've been waiting for, or another swing and a miss from Ecoworthy? Welcome back to the lab where our opinions cannot be bought. Ecoworthy has been making batteries for years, mostly targeting budget-conscious RV users and off-gridders. The Cubix 100 is different. It's their very first push into the premium home backup market, bringing UL certifications, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and rack mounting capabilities, all while keeping the price below its competitors at $752 with our code. The Cubix 100 seems to be Ecoworthy's first battery with major UL certifications, including UL 1973 and UL 9540. This is a big deal here at the lab because now we have something to compare against our premium batteries like the EG4. If you don't know what UL listings are or why they're important, we made a whole video on our channel explaining all that. We'll link it down in the description if you're interested. As always, we will leave links to the description to the Cubix 100 as well as any other batteries we recommend, along with discount codes to save you guys some money. With all that being said, let's jump into some of the pros about the Cubix 100. So the first pro is going to be the price. With being only $752 with our code, it is one of the most budget server rack batteries we have ever tested here at the lab. It's even more affordable than other budget brands like WattCycle's 100 amp hour server rack battery. So theoretically, it should make it a very attractive option for anyone building a home backup energy system. Another pro is this battery supports closed loop communication. This makes it compatible with many of the most popular inverter brands on the market. And then when it comes to the testing, this battery sustained 100 amp continuous discharge for over 15 minutes without any issues. And the charging performance on this battery was actually very impressive. So this battery has held up through a lot of our testing, but like everything, it's not perfect. While the Cubix 100 delivered great surge performance, it wasn't able to start our compressor. Now, one thing that was weird with this battery is it is UL 9540A certified, but it doesn't have any fire arresters, which is kind of a built-in fire extinguisher for these cells so the battery doesn't burn up. Now, you don't need fire arresters to become that 9540A certified. Probably why it's so cheap is because it doesn't have those fire arresters. And I mean, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. I wish it had it. And so the Cubix 100 relies on LEDs to be able to tell what's going on with the battery. You can also connect it to the app, but it would be nice to have a screen to kind of show what's going on. Again, that's a result of the cost savings on the battery and the low price. Overall, there are some cons, and we actually go more into depth on the full product review over on the TheSolarLab if you want to go check that out. But for right now, let's just jump into who's it for. The Ecoworthy Cubix 100 is a very easy battery to recommend if you're looking for a budget UL listed battery. It may not be the most premium battery, but it delivers where it matters. It performed great in our testing, has excellent compatibility, and a very impressive value. So the thing with this battery is just overall, Ecoworthy was never a product that we really recommended because it wasn't UL listed, and honestly, their batteries didn't really perform that well. But now they've done a whole 180, they are UL listed, and this battery actually performed very well. So we're now comfortable recommending this battery, the Cubix 100, to you guys. And honestly, for the price, we'd be really just wrong to not recommend you guys this battery. You can get 2 of these batteries for the price of a EG4 LP4. So coming up in a little bit, we're going to do a video on the main channel talking about this battery and comparing it to the EG4 LifePower 4. So stay tuned for that. But with all that being said, links to this battery and any other server rack batteries we recommend will be in the description, as well as any discount codes we can get you guys from those companies to save you guys some money. Thank you so much for watching this video. Peace out and stay charged.